In this video, I'll be showing you how to easily connect your AirPods to Windows PC. It's the best tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, regardless of whichever AirPods you have. In my instance, I'll be using the AirPods Pro 3 for this tutorial, but it works with any AirPods that you have that you want to connect to your PC. Of course, you can use them for anything like calls or listening to music, gaming, anything like that. So what we want to go ahead and do firstly is go over to our search icon, which is going to be on the bottom. And then over here, we're just going to go ahead and type in Bluetooth, and then it's then going to show Bluetooth and other device settings. Once we go ahead and click on that, you're going to see Bluetooth and you want to make sure it's enabled. And then we're going to see connect a new device. Go ahead and press that, and it's going to say Bluetooth audio devices as the first option. So go ahead and click on that. Now, when you click on that, you got to put your AirPods into pairing mode. In my instance, whenever you have your AirPods, all I gotta do is tap the little dot 3 times, and then it's gonna basically turn into pairing mode. But other times there's gonna be like a little AirPods, like a little dot button here on the back, and you can go ahead and press that as well. Of course, it just depends on which AirPods you have. Now, as you can see, they are now in pairing mode. You're gonna know your AirPods are in pairing mode because they're gonna be flashing like so. So all you gotta do is wait for it to come up over here. And if it doesn't come up first, then what you can do is press add device again, go back over, and then wait for it to show up. And then once it does show up, you're gonna be able to connect your AirPods over to your PC and you'll be good to go, and there's nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.